So in the industry, there's every hoarding job is rated on a 5 scale. That's pretty commonplace within the bio industry. So each job when we go in and do an evaluation or an estimate, we'll put a number on it. Is it a category 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Category 1s really shouldn't even be a category as far as I'm concerned. It's pretty much most of America's house, and maybe a 2. You know, they're clean, they're accessible, rooms can be used for what they're designed for. 2 maybe has a little bit of clutter. Maybe you got young kids and there's toys laying around, but it's not something that you can't manage to clean up in 15, 20 minutes. So there's your 1s and your 2s. 3s, you start getting into situations where there's clutters, maybe a lot of boxes. Maybe there's a room that really is just storage and we don't use it for what it's intended to be. It's not necessarily something that needs a professional bio company to handle. Maybe a professional organizer could help them do that. And then you get into the 4s and 5s. And this is where you start crossing over from excessive accumulation of items to issues of biohazard or safety concerns or gross filth. 4s, you might have rotten food sitting out, garbages that haven't been changed. Maybe there's feces in the toilet that was plugged months ago or years ago and it hasn't been accessible. And then there's 5s, and 5s are ones that we go in with full PPE. You know, there might be dead animals, furnaces aren't working, air conditioning's not working, there might be mold because of the amount of a reduction of airflow in the house. So you can kind of see as the scale progresses that it goes from stuff to physical damage to the house and health issues the further you go.